Hey guys, Andrea here from Kirk Market, and today on Healthy Bites, we're talking about how to build the perfect smoothie. Smoothies are a delicious way of enjoying a variety of nutrients on the go. All you really need is a good blender and a few essential ingredients. But before we dive into the smoothie essentials, let's try to avoid a common mistake that people make with their smoothies, and this is to only blend fruit. Listen guys, absolutely nothing wrong with adding fruit to your smoothie, but most people don't realize just how high in sugar an all-fruit smoothie can be, especially when they're blending that smoothie up with juice. Now, we might enjoy a sweet smoothie, but the lack of protein and fat will without fail leave you feeling completely unsatisfied. We want to avoid that. So let's dive into 5 essential ingredients to building a perfectly balanced smoothie, one that is not only nutritious and delicious, but super satisfying. Okay, number 1, we're going to choose a base. Now this is what you're going to use to blend up that smoothie, and really how much you use is going to depend on how thick or thin you like that smoothie. So there's some options here for you to choose from. One of my favorites is coconut milk. I like a thicker type of smoothie. Number 2, we're going to add some fruit. Okay, so it's okay to add fruit to your smoothie. You just want to watch how much you add. So I say just go for variety here when it comes to your fruit. This is a great way to introduce nutrient diversity, so a broader range of nutrients into that smoothie. Keep in mind, again, that some sweeter fruits are going to bump up the sugar, so just watch how much you're adding of some of those, like your pineapples, your mangoes, your bananas. Blend it up with some other ones, like berries, for example. Okay, number 3, add some vegetables. Yes, I said vegetables. Now bear with me. This is a great way to introduce phytonutrients, antioxidants, and fiber into the smoothie. So a great way to boost nutrition. Now, if you're already used to adding vegetables to your smoothie, you might be wondering, well, what can I add besides the classic spinach and kale? Well, here are some options to get those smoothie juices going. Okay. We're going to number 4 now. This is to add some protein. So protein is actually one of the most important ingredients in your smoothie, and sadly, the most overlooked. This is where we're going to feel more satisfied. This is going to help you go a lot longer with that smoothie. It balances blood sugar, so it's an important one, and you don't want to miss this one, okay? There are a lot of different varieties that we can choose from. You could try protein powders, but you could even go for some whole foods like hemp seeds, chia seeds, even yogurt if you tolerate it. Again, the amount you use is going to depend on the protein that you've chosen. Number 5, add some fat. This is honestly one of my favorite ingredients to add to a smoothie because this is what can introduce a ton of flavor, but it also helps curb the appetite and also provide lasting, energizing fuel. Awesome, right? So my favorites tend to be things like avocado, coconut butter, chia seeds, flax seeds, but here are some other options to get, again, those smoothie juices going. Okay, so there you have it, guys. 5 essential ingredients to building a perfectly balanced smoothie. But I figure since you have that blender out, why not try to add an optional number 6 ingredient to that smoothie, and that is to add a superfood. Superfoods are a great way to provide even more nutrition. It's a great way to what I call maximizing the nutrients in that smoothie. So you can add a little bit of something like a green powder, a superfood like acai powder, even something actually lurking in your pantry like cinnamon or turmeric. Sky's the limit, but here again are some options for you to choose from. So there you have it, guys. 5, possibly 6 ingredients to building a perfectly balanced smoothie, one that is not only nutritious and delicious, but also super satisfying. Enjoy.